Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. First of all, I would like to thank Osama Nadeem from the Federal Youth Assembly and the Hitec University for giving me the opportunity and honor to share a few words with you today. My name is Ahmad Nawaz and I am 16 years old. I am a former student of Army Public School, Peshawar, which was attacked on 16 December 2014. I lost my younger brother Haris in that attack along with my 132 other friends. I was also shot in that attack and badly injured. In that attack I had to see my friends with whom I used to laugh, talk and joke and play and study together. I had to see them die right in front of my eyes. I saw my teacher burnt alive right in front of my eyes. But I couldn't help her because I was really badly injured. After the incident, there was the issue of my treatment. The doctors referred that I should be taken abroad to the Queen Elizabeth Hospital for treatment. So the government of Pakistan sent me here to the Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Birmingham for treatment. Initially, I had 11 operations. And when I was in the hospital, I heard this news about students from UK being radicalized and going towards terrorist groups in Syria and Iraq and other countries. And I was really shocked when I heard this. And I wanted to stop these kids because students are the future of this world. So I started my campaign going to schools, different colleges and universities, speaking to different students and telling them about my experience and how, because of these terrorists, people like us suffer. Because of these terrorist activities, families like us suffer every day. And I also told them that how Islam is a peaceful religion and it's not related to terrorists in any way. During that time, I met Theresa May, the Prime Minister of UK, who encouraged my campaign and appreciated my campaign. And then I met a lot of different global organizations here in UK, like World Merit, Oxford Foundation, Anne Frank and CDRS, with which I'm ambassador now. And we're planning to do some work in Pakistan on education because we think that education is the fundamental human right of every child. So we are going to be working in the tribal areas, in the Punjab, Sindh and all the provinces where there are children deprived of education, and we will provide them scholarships and quality education so that they can complete their education and have a brighter future, because these students are the future of Pakistan. And also I will be going to the United Nations next year for speech, and I hope to represent Pakistan and a positive image of Pakistan and Islam. Being a Pakistani, being a Muslim, this is my responsibility, and I will tell the whole world about Pakistani sacrifices for peace and how Pakistan have been doing a lot in order to finish terrorism and bring peace in Pakistan. After this, I will bring the attention of those global organizations towards the areas in Pakistan where children are deprived of education and basic human rights, so they can be provided the facilities and they can complete their education. At last, my message to all of you youth is that your contribution means a lot to Pakistan. You are the future of Pakistan, and you have to contribute in any way that you can in order to make Pakistan a peaceful and a better place to live. Thank you so much.